How quickly can you answer the following questions? How many active members or subscribers do you have? How many members have missed their renewals? What is the total value of all subscriptions? And what is the value of overdue renewals? And finally, how many subscriptions are going to expire in the next 1 week or 1 month? These are critical questions if you run a membership business such as a gym, a health club, library, a business, a professional association, or any other business where customers pay a monthly or annual membership fee. Even Netflix, Spotify, and Canva fall in this category. Now, while they have large teams and software to track memberships, smaller businesses can use this Excel template for membership management. There are three worksheets. First is the member list. This is where you have all the necessary details about your members and their membership, the fees and the plan type. Number two is the dashboard, which has all the necessary charts and KPIs and reports for you to monitor your membership business. And third is the drop-down worksheet, which lets you customize the membership management Excel template. Now, the dashboard sheet lets you monitor your membership business. You have the total member count, which here is 13. Then you have the active and inactive member counts. Respectively, here it is 12 and 1 for the sample business. Then you get to know about your total revenue. This is what you could earn if all the members renew their membership and pay on time. You get the renewals due count and the amount which is overdue. And very important, you also get to know about the upcoming renewals in the next 1 week and 1 month. Then you also have charts for visual representation for easy monitoring. You have a pie chart for plan type. So here, most members have the gold plan. Then you have two members or 17% in the platinum plan. And then you have the silver plan. Then you have a pie chart for the gender type. For some businesses, this may be important. For some, this may not be important. But specifically for businesses like a gym or a health club, this is an important parameter to track and monitor the membership based on gender. Then you also have the age group. Again, this is important for gyms, for libraries, for health clubs. But you could customize these charts for different metrics. And then you have a plan type table here, which gives you the count of members for every plan type, how many are due for renewal, and the amount which is due, which you will earn if you're able to contact those members and make them renew their membership. Then you have the member list. This is where you make all the entries. You have the member details, the name, phone number, email, gender, date of birth, and then you have the plan type, the fee, the start date, the tenure gets calculated automatically. Then you have the frequency, annual or monthly, when was the last payment done, and when is the next renewal. And there are color highlights in the renewal due and the due in days column for easy monitoring. So any renewal which is due will be highlighted in a red color. So you know that, okay, just by looking at the table right now, we know that, okay, there are three members who have not renewed their memberships. You can contact them. Then you also get a soft alert here for upcoming renewals. So again, just by looking at it, you can see that there are two members who need to renew the membership before it expires in the next 4 days and the next 13 days. So you get these highlights if the membership is about to expire within the next 1 month. So it makes it very easy for monitoring. And then finally, you have the drop-down sheet that lets you customize the Excel template for membership management for your business. So here's the plan type and the fees. So you can update whatever terminology you follow for your business. You can just go ahead and change that, and that will reflect in the dashboard and the member list. If you need to add more, you just need to increase the length of the validation. So once you download your copy, if you need any help with customization, it's easy to do. But in case if you need any help, you can reply back to the email or with which you will receive the attachment after you download it, and I'll be able to help you with the customization. Go ahead, get your copy now and share this with fellow business owners who run a membership-based business. Download link is in the description. Thank you.